Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to connect Bluetooth device in Infinix Note 12 series smartphone. Before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. First of all, open the settings of the phone. Then choose more connections. Now click on the Bluetooth and turn on the Bluetooth. Now we need to enter the earbuds to the pairing mode. Now you can see the Mi Neckband Pro is available here. Click on that. Now click on pair. Now the Mi Neckband Pro is paired successfully. You can listen the media and you can make the calls from the Bluetooth device. So if you want to unpair that, click on the settings again, then choose forget and click the forget again. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.